Hello, myself Kinjal Patel. Welcome to my channel Basic of Mathematics. Today we discuss about triangle chapter 6 in standard 10. First topic is similarity of triangle. We all know triangles is a plane figure made by three line segment and it has three angles and it is closed figure. Now similarity of triangle. First we understand meaning of similarity. Similarity that means उसके जैसा same. That means whenever you have two figure and this two figure is look like same, this circle and this circle is called similar circle. Same way you can say this square and these squares are similars. In particular, definition of similarity is whenever you have two figure and their two figure corresponds angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in same proportion, then the given two figure are called similar. In particular, similarity of triangle into triangles, their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in same proportion, then we can say given two triangles are similar. For better understanding, let us consider one example. You have one triangle ABC and other triangle PQR. And if you want to say these two triangles are similar, then how you can say these two triangles are similar? So, if your first condition is corresponds angles are equal, that means angle A is equal to angle P, A corresponding P, angle B is equal to angle Q, B corresponds QR equal. Same way, angle C is equal to angle R, angle C is equal to angle R. Second condition is correspond sides are in same ratio or same proportion. So AB sides corresponds PQ. So you have to take AB with PQ proportion or ratio. Same way BC and QR. BC and QR sides ratio and then AC and PR sides ratio. These all ratios are equal. Then you can say triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR which corresponds triangle ABC corresponding triangle PQR. Corresponds means A corresponds PR equal, B corresponds QR equal and C corresponds RR equal. That's why you use this correspond symbols and this is the symbol of similarity. Now again, two triangles, their corresponding angles are equal. So corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in same proportion. Corresponding sides are in same proportion. Then you can say given two triangles are similar. Let us consider two examples solved by this similarity definition. Here, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR is given. Their corresponds is ABC corresponding QRP. So, for solving first question, your ABC corresponds triangle QRP. So, you can write this way. Measure of A is 50. This angle's measurement is 50. Measurement of C is 30. This angle measurement is 30. Find the measure of angle R. You want to find this thing. First of all, read question and decide what is given in your questions. In your questions, corresponding similarity is given. So you should be apply here definition of similarity. Now, so you can write for solution. Here, triangle ABC corresponds triangle QRP. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle Q, angle B is equal to angle R, and angle C is equal to angle P. How this is come? By definition of similarity. Now, angle A is equal to angle Q. So, angle A measurement is given in your question. That's why you can write 50 degree is equal to angle Q. Same way B is equal to R. So, you want to find this thing. So, this is equal to question mark. Angle C is equal to angle P. So, C is 30. So, definitely P is 30. So, 30 is equal to P. So, by definition of similarity, you get informations about this triangle. And whenever you have two measurement of angles in triangle and find third one, so you should use sum of triangles property. So, in triangle PQR, by sum angle property, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Sum of triangles are 180. Now P measurement is 30, Q measurement is 50, and R you want to find. So write as it is. Now 50 plus 30 is 80. R is equal to 180. Change side of 80. So R is equal to 180 minus 80. So your angle R is become 100. So this is your answer. So you can apply this way by definition of similarity in your question. Now consider second example. In this second example, ABC corresponds PQR is given. So part of ABC are same to the part of PQR. So in second question you have to draw ABC corresponds PQR. And now which information is given about its sides ratios or proportions. So here triangle ABC corresponds triangle PQR. And what is given? AB ratio PQ is equal to 4:5. So you can write AB upon PQ is equal to 4/5. Remove this ratio sign, you should be write this way. If AC is equal to 60, this measurement is given. And you want to find here PR. So PR is equal to question mark. Definitely similarity corresponds given. So you should be use definition of similarity. So you can write by definition of similarity, their corresponding sides are in same proportion. So you can write AB ratio PQ. That means AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Now put corresponds value whatever given in your question. AB upon PQ in your question is 4/5. BC upon QR you don't know. So you should be write as it is. Same way AC is 6 and PR you don't know. You want to find here PR. So this is equal to this is equal to this. That means what? This is equal to this and this is also equal to this. So you can write thus 4 upon 5 is equal to 6 upon PR. So change side of this. So 4 into PR is equal to 5 into 6. Change side of 4. So PR is equal to 5 into 6 upon 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 15 upon 2. So your PR becomes 7.5, or you can write 15 by 2. So this is your answer. In first question we should use condition here according to your example angle, and in second questions we consider here about its side informations. If you really like my channel, please share and subscribe it. Thank you.